Lexus GS350 2015, how to reset the light maintenance. So we should off, and then we just put in trip A. Here in odometer, we just put trip A. Trip A, like that. And then we turn off. So we hold this button, the odometer, we hold this. And then we click the start 2 times. And we put your foot in the brake. So hold the auto trip and then twice, but not start. Remove the foot. Then we will show this blinking like that. So it's gonna be reset the maintenance. Lexus GS350 2015.